Hello farmers! Today I'm going to show you how to list your produce for sale on the Kuronga platform. Before you start, have a look at what other farmers have already listed on the platform. To get going, tap Sell My Crop or select the Sales Listing option in the menu. You will likely already have some draft listings available for the crops you listed when you registered, but I will show you here how to create a fresh listing from scratch. Tap New Listing. First, select the crop you want to sell from the drop-down. Type a few letters of the crop name to refine your options. Here, I am selecting beefsteak tomatoes. List your produce for sale in whatever format suits your needs. Here I am, just selecting a kg to keep things simple. Tap Next. Now first, check if the availability dates match your requirements. Default is 3 months from the day you list. Change this if necessary. Next, select the minimum and maximum order quantities you are able to fulfill. Tap Next. Set a price. In my case, this is a price per kg. If you are unsure, take a look at what other farmers are selling for. Don't worry, as buyers can always contact you to make an offer if they think it is too much. Tap Next. Okay, this next step is really important. You need to upload multiple images of your packed produce. It's always good to show packed and prepared produce. Buyers really appreciate good packing and preparation, as this helps them store your crop well when it gets to market. Buyers can also send you feedback on these images to help you improve your grading standards. Look out for your buyers' needs, and they will look out for you. Check all your photos uploaded, and then tap Next. Have a look at the summary to see what your listing will look like. Double check everything is correct. You can always go back and amend anything before you submit. When you are happy, tap Submit to post your sales listing live on the Kuronga platform. The posted icon indicates your submission was successful. Go to the home screen and tap Sellers to view your new listing on the platform. Tap on More Details to see your full listing. Thanks, and happy listing!